Hello, my dear friends. I'm Divya from Grammar Guru Beatam Plus. In today's video, we'll cover how to introduce yourself and how to respond to introductions. You'll also learn about different shades of basic colors like red, green, and blue and their common pairings. This video will be useful if you know some English but are not confident in speaking or writing. You'll improve your English language skills video after video on this channel. So please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and leave your questions and suggestions in the comments section. You'll learn with Miss Elaine, our animated teacher. Let's start.
Today we'll learn how to introduce ourselves and start conversations using phrases like "My name is," "Nice to meet you," and "How are you?"
Introducing yourself. Hello, my name is Davis.
Hi, Davis, my name is John.
When you meet someone for the first time, you can say "My name is," followed by your name. Let's practice. My name is. Your name. Great job.
Responding to introductions. Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Davis.
After someone introduces themselves, you can respond with "Nice to meet you." It's a polite way to show that you are happy to meet them. Let's practice. Nice to meet you. Wonderful.
Asking about well-being. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
To ask someone about their well-being, you can say "How are you?" It's a common and friendly way to start a conversation. Practice saying, "How are you?" Fantastic. Now let's combine these phrases into a full conversation. Try practicing this dialogue with a friend or family member.
Hello, my name is Davis.
Hi, Davis. My name is John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
Let's review what we've learned. My name is. Nice to meet you. And how are you? Practice these phrases and use them in your daily conversations. Keep practicing and you'll become more confident. Now we'll explore the wonderful world of colors. Did you know that each basic color like red, blue, and yellow has many different shades? Let's dive in and learn the variety within each color.
Shades of red, crimson, burgundy, coral, maroon, salmon, shades of blue, navy, sky blue, teal, turquoise, azure, shades of yellow, gold, mustard, lemon, amber, canary, shades of green, mint, olive, emerald, lime, forest green, shades of orange, peach, apricot, tangerine, rust, amber, shades of purple, lavender, violet, lilac, mauve, plum, shades of pink, fuchsia, rose, blush, magenta, baby pink, shades of brown, tan, beige, chestnut, cocoa, mahogany, shades of gray, silver, charcoal, slate, ash, dove gray,
Here we are going to explore how different colors can be combined to create beautiful combinations. Each color like red, blue, and yellow can be paired with others to make stunning and unique combinations that can evoke various emotions. Let us discover some popular color pairings and the feelings they represent.
red and white. Commonly associated with Valentine's Day, it can be referred to as the romantic combination. Blue and yellow, often called the sunny day combination due to its bright and cheerful look. Green and brown, known as the earthy or natural combination reminiscent of nature. Black and gold, sometimes called the luxurious or elegant combination, often seen in high-end fashion and design. Pink and gray, referred to as the modern chic combination popular in contemporary decor. Purple and silver, known as the regal combination, often associated with royalty and sophistication. Orange and blue, called the vibrant or dynamic combination, often used in sports team colors. Navy and white, known as the nautical combination reminiscent of maritime themes. Coral and mint, often referred to as the refreshing combination popular in spring and summer designs. Lavender and yellow, called the pastel or spring combination, evoking a soft and gentle feel.
Watch this video multiple times and repeat the conversations until you feel confident using the new expressions. Practice these new conversation phrases and names of colors with your friends and family. Keep learning and improving your English every day. Thank you for watching. See you the next day.